Ugh. I am so bored. I am going to watch Nickelodeon.
Coming up next on Nickelodeon, Dora the Explorer.
Oh my freaking god. My sister Rosie likes that show. And I don't. Therese, some way to make it stop airing. I can make a fake emergency alert system. That will freak out Rosie so much. Ha 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 ha.
I am going to Jack in the Box for lunch.
Looks like the coast is clear. This is going to be so funny. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah, Dora is about to come on.
Dora the Explorer.
Attention everybody. This is not a drill, stay safe in your house.
What is wrong, Rosie?
Rosie saw something scary.
Oh my god. There is an emergency alert system. I wonder who did this.
Ha 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 ha. That was a funny prank, but let's get out of here before I get caught. Hey guys, what's going on here?
Caillou. Thank God you're safe. Let's watch the news to see what happens.
Breaking news. Some person broke into the Nickelodeon office to make a fake emergency alert system to stop Dora from airing on Nickelodeon. He is bald. He wears yellow shirt and red sneakers, and if you are their parents you have to pay $1 million.
Ho 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 ho. Caillou, how dare you make a fake emergency alert system? We have to pay $1 million because of you.
And tomorrow is punishment day. Go to your room now.
A walla 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 walla. A walla 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 walla.